be real, we're magicians. We love gimmicks. We also love creative gimmicks that allow us to do incredible versions of classic tricks. Don't Blink is my brand new custom-made gimmick that brings the torn and restored newspaper into the modern age. It uses a single page from a magazine and it's easier to perform than ever before. If you can tear up a piece of paper, you can perform Don't Blink. And the gimmick will last you forever. Don't Blink works in any setting, from close-up to street to stage. It's totally customizable with any magazine you prefer. Whether you're customizing for a company you're working for or for a local town you're performing in, you'll always be ready to add a personal and memorable touch. It resets in minutes, and did I mention it's easy? In the included download, I'll teach you everything you need to know to start performing right away. Don't Blink has been my favorite trick to perform for many years, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you now. My name is Yvan Garmy, and this is Don't Blink.